Okay. So, I don't know. I just want to upload a video of Battle Cats. Yippee! Bird Cat. Is that the name? Okay. Why am I acting like I'm sick? I'm actually not sick. Whoa! This is probably... Bro, this guy is getting brain damage, to be honest. You know the dude that just runs and smacks his head? He's getting brain damage, I think. But who cares? Brain damage just for the battle cuts. You never do it for anything. About that, there is one word that kids are not meant to see. Bruh, there's a mod. Isn't that meant to be from the back? Bro, there's a literal mod in the back. No. Why is there a death mod in the Battle Cats? Isn't that meant to be in the back rooms? This just makes no sense. But okay, I just killed a death mod. So that's how strong mobs are. I'm just gonna beat this the entire thing. Wait a minute. Did I just see what? Okay, bro. I don't think I should share it. But anyways, let me just have a look at one of my cats. And I'm not meant to show this on YouTube. Kidding. I'm allowed to. But am I meant to be family friendly?